Hello again. I've not made a video for a little while because I've been quite busy with some other stuff to do with work, some exciting things, but nothing that you'd be interested in because by the time this video comes out, all of it will have happened. So anyway, that's why I haven't been recording for a little bit. I have been practicing though, but I haven't been finding it very easy to do as much practice as I was before. There was a time when I was averaging about 150, 200 words a day. And now I'm averaging about 70 words a day. I don't know what's dropped off. Maybe I've just been busy with other things. But I haven't been practicing as much as I was before. And therefore, what I've been finding is when I do the reviews, the old classic review dojos, I'm forgetting a lot of stuff that I already knew. So I'm going to have to keep on going with this and I'm going to have to get back to practicing more. But all of that being said, let's crack on. I think this time what I'm going to do is learn some new words and then do a review dojo. That's my plan. So here we go. Start recording. 3, 2, 1. Bow, 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 bow. Yep, that's what we're doing. Daytime recording today. Yes, so I think we learned some new words of the nature basics. Let's have a little go with that.
森林
森林 forest 森林
森林
forest
森林
Baba. All those silly things help me remember. Oh, this is it's gone really into the characters now, but it doesn't give me a good mechanism for how to learn it. I've been considering contacting the people that make this app, messaging them or leaving a review or something to just go, please do something about the characters because they're impossible for me to learn. Having said that, let's see if I get this right. Hoi tan.
海灘樹
That was a little journey of emotions, wasn't it? Sue.
樹
Sue. All of the 6 tones kind of sound sad.
樹
Sue. Samlam. Samlam.
森林
no. Oh, what an idiot. Wasn't paying attention. Samlam.
森林
See what I mean? I'm just not that great at the minute. Fa. Flower. Ah. Fa. Fa.
花
Fa. Fa. Flower.
花
Fa. That is forest.
森林
Samlam. Flower. Fa.
花
Woo. Lake. Woo. Woo. Lake. Woo. Sounds very serious, that, doesn't it?
森林
Tree.
樹
Sue. No, that's beach.
森林
Samlam.
山丘
Sanyao. Hill.
山丘
Hill.
山丘
Sounds a bit like 2 really fast cars going past. Nyong, nyong. Like that. Lake. Woo. Woo.
樹
Sue. I think that is hill.
山丘
Sanyao. Nyong.
樹
Oh, I thought I was going to say Sanyao then. Got excited.
山
Sun. Mountain. Mountain is sun.
山
Sun. Sun.
山樹
Tree.
樹
Su.
森林
Forest.
森林
Mountain.
山
Sun. Sun.
山丘
Sanyao. Whoa.
湖
Whoa.
河
Ha. Ha. Very serious sounding.
河
Ha. Tone 4 is very serious sounding.
河
Ha.
Samlam.
Samlam. Woo.
湖
Woo. Ha.
河
Hoitan.
海灘
Hoitan. That can't be it, surely. Is that it? That's not even it. Stop it. Stop doing this.
森林
Samlam.
湖
Woo. Woo.
湖
25 in a row. On a roll.
山
Sun.
海
High.
海
High.
海
High.
海
High.
樹
Sue. Yes, no, that's not because it's both tone 1 because it goes meow meow.
山丘
Sanyao. Time's up. Hmm. Hmm. Should we do a little review dojo? What's my accuracy today? 95%, 129 words. Yeah, you can see on that learning trend, look. Yeah, 30 odd days ago was the very end of my I'm going crazy and doing this all the time. And then it's sort of gone down. There was a little peak and then it's sort of, yeah, it's not been so great. Yeah, but anyway, let us do a review dojo because I haven't done one of those on a video for a while. That'll be exciting for you, won't it? Start learning, review dojo.
早晨
Good morning.
早晨鹽
Salt.
鹽母親
Mother.
母親
Poop a boop a boop.
青口 爸爸
Father.
爸爸你帶俾我快樂
You make me happy.
你帶俾我快樂購物清單
Shopping list.
購物清單
And you? Oh, good. My favourite. The characters. 你
你呢
你呢識少少
識少少
識少少
星期一星期咖啡幾時
幾時朋友 Oh dear. Oh dear.
杯
It's always the characters that get me. Cup.
杯
Cup. 熱朱古力。
熱朱古力
刀
刀
刀yay 朋友
肉
meat
肉
meat
匙羹
spoon
匙羹母親
mother
母親
mother
飲品飲品餐廳
restaurant
餐廳下低
under
下低
sorry can you say that again
口
mouth
口
so hang on am I right in assuming that the second character of is it mussels or oysters? Chang Hao. Does the second part mean mouth? It's a similar thing as I learned elephant recently, and that was Dai Bang Zhang or something like that. And Dai means big, right? I would love it if this app taught me the literal translations because those things really help me to learn. So if you know, you're going to do the YouTube thing, like it in them comments. That'd be lovely. Thank you. On we go. I undress.
我除衫
我除衫。
男士應
男士應
黑色
black
黑色
黑色
彩虹
rainbow
彩虹你可唔可以講多次？
Can you repeat that?
你可唔可以講多次？
I wasn't being literal.
你可唔可以
Stop it.
講多？會
Tired.
攰男人
Man.
貓
貓
貓
貓
早晨
Good
早晨
morning.
我打電話我打電話
士多啤梨
士多啤梨
士多啤梨甜品
甜品
香腸 I don't know what the
香腸
香腸
骨架
skeleton
膠袋
膠袋 why is it such a weird different sounding voice that one
膠袋 螃蟹
螃蟹 couldn't remember that
我
one
放鬆
I relax
我放鬆我去瞓覺
我去瞓覺 Oh good it's asking me this again That's good isn't it I cannot remember for the life of me For the life of me What this
你好嗎
I knew what it was 你好嗎 It's just the characters are the worst bit for me 呢個叫咩
呢個叫咩
Nope Yep Nope Yep
周圍
周圍 Oh good you're asking me again Thanks 你好嗎？
你好嗎？到
到huh? Oh, among.
到
到 There we go. That's me for today. Yeah, I find so 95%. Generally speaking, whenever I do review dojos or whenever I'm doing any of the quiz modes or anything like that, it's only the characters that I struggle with. If you took out this testing me on the characters, most of the time I'd be at 100%. So yeah, I really don't know what to do about that. Is there anything that like you can suggest? Is there anything that perhaps if you're someone who is watching this who, can speak and write Cantonese, is there anything when you were a kid that you were taught that helped you with the characters like, or is there anything that I can watch to understand learning the characters? Yeah, any suggestions would be good because I don't know what it is. I think it's because it's so different to what I'm used to that my brain can't just remember them because all this is doing is expecting me to remember them. And it works for some of the things I can remember, but yeah, most of them I can't. And especially when it asks me to do like a long sentence, I've got no chance. I end up just guessing and pushing the buttons at random. But anyway, yeah, 95%. What are we on today? What are we on? Day 117. There we go. Yeah, that's about it, really. If you've got anything that can help, if you've got anything nice to say, if you've got anything bad to say, go ahead. Just comment it, like and subscribe, all of that jazz. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.